Sometimes we have bad skin, and there's actually a really easy way to correct that inside Lightroom. So I'm going to share a portrait of myself taken by Peter Hurley last year sometime, and my skin's not the greatest in this. This is before I realised what was causing bad skin, but if we zoom in here, you can see not great condition here. So what do we do to fix this? Well, for this, we go up to this little icon here, and it's a spot removal. So there's clone and then there's heal. Why would you use clone versus heal or heal versus clone, Casey?
Heals for a little piece of a surrounding area, just like blemishes that you want to basically blend. You basically heal them, thinking that you want to fix them. And clone is more where you have a bigger region that you need to do a major repair.
Okay. So let's have a look at heal.
Is perfect for this.
And we can zoom in and out to adjust this, and we can change the feather as well. So let's go ahead and we'll click on that.
There, boom.
That, and bad skin day, clearly.
That's it.
No, there's plenty I'd fix, actually. Appreciate your vote of confidence there, but still more I'd fix. This is, by the way, what gluten does to me.
Oh, okay. So then see how it chooses a region to copy from, and then you can move that.
Yeah,
right.
So what it does is it'll find something that I think is, it's not going to copy it, but it will...
You drop it there, yeah.
It'll clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So if we look at a comparison there, whoa, bad, good. Maybe over here I would make that a little cleaner by adjusting that. Maybe I want to get rid of that.
And Photoshop, that would take a long time to do.
Yeah, but this is such a clean process, and you can really take some liberties here and get very carried away. Let's see what else I don't like about my face. Let's scroll up. Ooh, a bit of dry skin there. Oh, maybe I don't like this mole. Mark by my eye there. Pleased to say my skin's in a much better condition now. Don't know what this white bit is. It might be a chickenpox scar or something. Maybe this here. I mean, we don't want to spend all day trying to fix my face because we could be here a while. Don't like that one, so you just click on it and hit delete. And then if we can zoom out slightly and then do the before and after, you can see quite a significant difference to my face. In the Photoshop bonus, we're actually going to go through and do some more changes to this portrait to really polish me up. But for now, I think that's quite a clear difference between using it and not using it. You can see why this is the photo that I use. And it really, I mean, how long has it taken us? 3 minutes to fix my face? Mm-hmm. I personally don't like pushing my luck more than that. But there's some things that you might want to try on this that, let's say we hit close on that. Maybe you want to go for a teeth whitening if you've got teeth in the photo, or maybe you want to increase the saturation on the lips if you want slightly darker lips. Put that up there and turn the saturation up. I mean, you can do a few things, but I think for the purpose of this experiment, I think that really does show off the differences. Let's talk about the clone quickly. We start a new one. The clone is clearly just going to take a part of the rest of the photo and put it into wherever you're editing. So maybe there's some surrounding area that looks really good. Maybe you want to choose that. But for the most part, I find that the heal tool is just much better because I can put this over here and it's keeping the same texture, but it's not copying the color. If you really want a smooth skin, just copy it to a nice soft background. So that's how that works. The spot removal tool is obviously a very powerful tool. It's great for correcting these small blemishes on your face or your skin or in other parts of the photos. It's something that I use on a not too regular basis, but when I do, it's one of my favorite tools. It does it so quickly and efficiently that I don't know what I'd do without it at times. So that is the spot removal tool. Thank you very much for watching.